Climate change caused infestation of insects and parasites like barnacles on kangaroos. Climate change has far-reaching consequences, not just for weather patterns but also for ecosystems and the animals that inhabit them. One of the unexpected effects of rising global temperatures and shifting climates is the increased infestation of insects and parasites, such as barnacles, on terrestrial animals like kangaroos. While barnacles are typically associated with marine environments, their presence on kangaroos is a concerning sign of ecological disruption. This article explores how climate change has contributed to this unusual phenomenon, its impact on kangaroos, and the broader implications for Australia's wildlife. How climate change contributes to parasite infestation. Rising global temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns create ideal conditions for many parasites to thrive. Warmer climates accelerate the reproductive cycles of insects and parasites, leading to larger populations. In Australia, prolonged droughts and increased humidity in some regions have disrupted natural ecosystems, allowing parasites to expand their range and affect new hosts. Insects like ticks, fleas, and mosquitoes have already increased in numbers due to climate change, leading to higher rates of disease transmission in kangaroo populations. Now, reports suggest that even barnacles, traditionally marine parasites, have been found attaching to kangaroos. While barnacle infestations on land mammals are rare, scientists believe that increased flooding and rising sea levels could be responsible for their unusual spread. The unusual presence of barnacles on kangaroos. Barnacles typically attach to marine animals like whales, turtles, and crabs. They rely on waterborne larvae that settle on a host and grow by filtering nutrients from their surroundings. However, climate-induced environmental changes may have pushed barnacle larvae into new habitats, including areas where kangaroos. We may see more instances of marine parasites adapting to terrestrial environments. This could lead to the emergence of new diseases, increased competition for resources, and further disruptions to national habitats. Conservationists and scientists must monitor these changes closely to mitigate their impact on wildlife and develop strategies to protect affected species. C. One possible explanation is that floods and rising sea levels have brought barnacle larvae inland, exposing kangaroos to these marine parasites. Kangaroos often drink from rivers, wetlands, and coastal areas, where waterborne larvae may attach to their skin. Additionally, extreme weather events such as cyclones and heavy rainfall could be transporting marine organisms further inland, increasing the risk of unusual infestations. Impact on kangaroo health. Infestations by insects and parasites weaken kangaroos in several ways. Ticks and fleas cause irritation, blood loss, and disease transmission, while mosquito-borne viruses can lead to severe health issues. The presence of barnacles on kangaroos is particularly concerning, as these parasites can cause skin infections, mobility issues, and stress-related illnesses. Kangaroos rely on their agility and strong hind legs to escape predators and find food. If barnacle infestations grow severe, they could hinder movement, leading to an increased risk of predation or starvation. Additionally, persistent infestations weaken the immune system, making kangaroos more vulnerable to other diseases. Broader ecological implications. The unusual infestation of barnacles on kangaroos is a stark reminder of how climate change is reshaping ecosystems in unexpected ways. Changes in temperature, humidity, and weather patterns are altering the distribution of parasites and the species they affect. This shift can have cascading effects on biodiversity, threatening not just kangaroos but other wildlife as well. If climate change continues at its current rate, we may see more instances of marine parasites adapting to terrestrial environments. This could lead to the emergence of new diseases, increased competition for resources, and further disruptions to national habitats. Conservationists and scientists must monitor these changes closely to mitigate their impact on wildlife and develop strategies to protect affected species. C.